Yeah. Leaving me, dripping out on me.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla, aka P, and in today's video we are doing a wig revamp video. So as you can see here, your girl is just grabbing her handy dandy shampoo and cleaning up that lace because she's looking really disturbing. And when I say disturbing, there's a lot of materials that would never let the wig lay flat because she's not giving. I don't know why that was such a long explanation to just say the lace is dirty, but yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, okay? But if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys can join the family because we kind of lit over here, okay? We do a lot of hair videos, you know, a lot of things. You just gotta read my channel banner. Maybe you'll know what I do. But with that being said, basically all I'm doing right now, plus as you can see, I never do voiceover, so this is pretty different. But she's clean, as you can see. The lace front is giving squeakity deekity clean. And then now moving into the second step, which is going to be prepping the hair. I use the product from Pattern Beauty, as you see, because this is a human hair wig, by the way. All the hair information that you want to know is going to be in the description box below for all my people who are like, I want to buy this wig. I got you. I've had this wig for 2 years and she still sits on my head as if I just bought it. So go save your coins and get this wig, okay? But with that being said, I am now moving on to cutting the hair. As you can see, this was a scary step. I recommend that you take your time because when I say I was shaking in my boots, I was really nervous because I didn't want to cut it too short where I start looking like Edna from Incredibles. So I really did take my time. I didn't want to rush the process. And for all people who like to rush and don't have any patience, let me just say this right now. Don't do it because you're going to run into the issue I ran into when I was doing this hair. And it was one side was shorter than the other. Okay, you do not want to do this. Look what I'm doing. I'm cutting again because one side is longer. So to avoid it, just take your time, okay? But I am not gonna talk anymore because who wants to hear a person talk for 5 minutes? It's not me, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this little revamp, but most importantly, this styling video. And also comment down below if you enjoy wig videos like this. Because I would like to know, okay? But with that being said, I will see you beautiful people in the next video. And most importantly, stay crusty.